Ever wondered how investors manage risk or speculate on price changes? Well, there's a tool in the financial world that allows them to do just that. It's called a derivative. A derivative, in essence, is a type of security, but it's a bit different from the common stock or bond. Its value depends on one or more underlying assets. These assets can be varied. They can be stocks, bonds, commodities, currencies, interest rates, or even market indexes. Now, imagine a derivative as a contractual agreement, usually between two parties. It's a sort of tug of war. One party is short the derivative, while the other party is long the derivative. When a party buys a derivative security, it's like they've taken a long journey, hence they're said to be long the derivative. When a party is short a derivative, it's like they're selling off parts of their journey. They're the seller of the derivative. Now, there are different types of derivatives, but for now let's focus on futures and options. Both are derivatives, but they operate in slightly different ways. Consider equity options. They're derivatives too, and they come in two flavors, puts and calls. Think of an option like a coupon for a sale at your favorite store. One stock option contract gives the buyer, or holder, the option or the right to buy or sell the underlying stock at a predetermined price on or before the option's expiration date. Just like your coupon has an expiration date. Traders and investors could be long a call or a put option, just like they could be short a call or a put option. But that's a topic for another day. In summary, derivatives are financial tools that investors use to manage risk or speculate on price changes. They depend on the value of one or more underlying assets. They can be used for hedging, which is a way of insuring against the risk of an asset. They can also be used for speculation, which is betting on the future price of an asset. Finally, they can also be used to navigate around exchange rate issues. So the next time you hear the word derivative, it won't be a mystery. It's just another tool in the vast financial toolbox that investors use to navigate the complex world of finance.